We got some scrap here. We got this box, partly metal. We've got this, all metal, and a light fixture. Nice. Good start. What's in here? Hey, it really is. It's the item that it says it is. And there's a videotape in here too. Showtime, rotisserie. Oh, wow, this thing must be old. You know what? I'm just going to take the whole thing because I like rotisserie chicken. And if this thing is working, and we got this. Not bad. We got a nice little dishwasher here. I'm on my way to pick up a refrigerator that Mr. Cool told me about. So I have to be sure I leave in plenty of space. I think there's plenty of space on there for that. Oh, this is a pretty heavy one. Add to my load here. We're gonna take some time and take this thing apart if we can. Okay. Well, this is an awesome start to my day today. I'm not really in a scrap zone here. They don't have scrap zones in McKinney like in Plano, but anyway, good start. Looks like I'm going to be doing my regular scrapping here today. There's seems to be quite a bit of scrap. I've already picked up some. Might as well keep going, right? See, I got the refrigerator on the trailer. The lady of the house was awesome. She was so kind. Happy to meet people like that. And got the refrigerator. It's going to be raining later today, so I need to hurry things up a little bit. These things hardly weigh anything, so I can get to the scrapyard. But I'm going to cruise around this neighborhood, see what I can find here, because it looks like there's a significant amount of scrap here. And after that, I'll go to the scrapyard. Yeah, yay! We're trying our luck with a little bit of curbside and alley scrapping. Yeah, this will work. Not a whole lot of space for more stuff, but we're going to try to fill it. Oh, we got some nice scrap here. A little bit on this side, a little bit on the other side. Not too bad. We get this on the trailer right now. You know, since there's a lot of stuff here right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, what the heck, it's not coming off that easily. Just trying to finish things up so that we can go over to the scrapyard and get paid, because we need to get paid. Ultimately, that's what it's all about, right? Before I get on the street, I need to make sure that's not going to go anywhere. All right. Shower seat. I might need one of these before too long myself. All right. What is that? Oh, I don't know. It looks like aluminum though, whatever it is. We'll give it the old aluminum test. Yep. It's definitely aluminum. And a nice piece of aluminum too. Garage door kit, empty. This is also aluminum. We're gonna take that apart right here. Now it is, kind of. Let's wrap this up. My battery died, but this is too good to not get on video. Yeah, so I changed the battery real quick. Is this plastic or metal? That's plastic. I didn't see the pots and pans. I just saw the that plastic there and thought that was metal. Anyway, all right, got that. We're still ahead of the scrap truck, so we'll just keep on going. This is good. We got more pans. Hey doggy, I'm just here collecting some scrap. Hi. Should have brought some treats. So is this metal? Is this like a... This looks like an aluminum flagpole. For sure it's aluminum. Let's see. Even that is like maybe plastic, I'm not sure. But this looks like it used to be a flagpole. Yeah, it's got the little telescoping thing and everything. Let's get that in there. All right. This is, wasn't expecting much out of today, but it's been pretty good. We got another dishwasher, a wheelbarrow, and a bicycle. Wow. We're gonna have to see if we can get this stuff on. These wheelbarrows go pretty quick when they show up at the scrapyard. Someone always wanting to pick it up. And it's been a while since I've dropped one off, so they'll be swarming to get that wheelbarrow when I get it in there. I don't know if I'm gonna get that dishwasher or not yet. There's better scrap ahead, I think. So I'm gonna get the stuff that's gonna benefit me more because of its weight as scrap. And I'm gonna leave this guy here. Let's see what the bottom of it looks like. Yeah, I'm just gonna, these things are not very heavy, and they take up a lot of space. So yeah, all right, we're gonna see what else we got up. Stuff here. Looks like wood and plastic though, for the most part. I don't see any actual metal scrap in there. We got bags and bags of leaves and squirrels. Hey, there's an umbrella. That umbrella will fit. We'll get that on right away. Trash, non-working lawnmower, haul away. I will. Thank you very much. I wish everybody would would put a sign on their stuff like that. It would make everything crystal clear as to what you want done with what you've got sitting in your yard. All right. I see some bed rails. I'm gonna have to knock them down a little bit, but that is awesome. I wonder how much I have to take off. Oh, different type of screw. Yeah. How about if it just goes on top with everything else? Okay. I'm gonna need to put a strap on this anyway. Nice, nice, nice. That is what I'm talking about. It's solid steel. It's going on top. Adds a lot of weight. All right, we'll get this tied down. Well, we're almost done here. Some wire, nice wire too. There's always room for a little more. We got another umbrella. Some nice lumber there, but we're not gathering lumber today. Okay, great. You know, the only thing the note on this lawnmower was missing was help yourself, Scrapper Sam. Scrapper Sam. Ah, there it goes, self-propelled. Oh, let's get this. Oh, I don't know, is that one? Yep, that's aluminum. Oh, the lawnmower didn't last long. Aluminum. Yep, seems to be. I don't think any of this is aluminum. We'll check it real quick. Nope, nope. There goes the lawnmower. We're gonna have to knock those other pieces off, but that should be doable with the hammer. Get this other strap off. I didn't get some of this stuff on video because the camera was acting up some, but I charged it on the way over here, so hopefully it's okay. I'm going to try and turn this in as aluminum. I think this is steel. Yeah. Huh. That's light, but it's... never know what to do with these things. Sometimes they've got aluminum parts like this, and then they got steel parts like that. Man, if I had my cutter, I'd cut that. I don't have it anymore. Wow, he's got some heavy stuff there. This bicycle has a aluminum frame on it, but there's no way I'm going to be able to do anything with that. But that doesn't last long either. This is the nice piece of aluminum here. Now let's put it up here for a second. Let's see. This has got a piece of Romex in it, so hopefully just squish these pieces here together and pull on the other end. Or Maybe that'll work. Still reluctant to come out. Let's try it this way. There we go. This is steel, so no further processing necessary on that. And we got a nice piece of Romex. Okay, we got this. I didn't get this on video, but it's a shelving unit that I found. I'll get the rest when I get the refrigerator off. Oh yeah, this chair is another item that I picked up. I don't think got on video. I have to figure out a way to take this apart. Well, looks like just some screws there. And some screws there, all right. Nice. $2.20 for our shred and $2.48 for my aluminum. That's not a lot. They're only paying 41 cents a pound now for aluminum. Well, I didn't turn in all the aluminum I had. That one piece that looks like it was the base for a TV, I didn't turn that in. I couldn't get it cleaned up. I have to take out a bunch more screws and a lot of those stainless steel standoffs. And then a couple of the sections of the flagpole, I couldn't get all the plastic off one piece, and the other piece had a big old piece of mud in the bottom that I need to dig out. I can't turn it in like that. So, not too bad. About $55.50. I was thinking I would get more, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep going. Then again, it looks like it's about to rain, and we've got severe thunderstorms scheduled for today, so I think I'll just go home, maybe take the kid to the library, something like that today. Sounds like a plan. Hey, thanks everybody for coming and watching my video. I appreciate everyone subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Scrapper Sam.